Hello dear kids, welcome back to your GK class. So children, the chapter which we are going to cover is chapter number 17 and 18. So chapter number 17, games we all know, is a homework page, and chapter number 18 is a classwork page. Here in this chapter you will see few terms related to specific games. And in this chapter we will just see few special days, and in all these 5 pictures, one picture is very important because it is near Teachers Day. And children, on Teachers Day we celebrate our second president, who is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. So children, we will just see few slides and then we will complete these chapters. So children, as I told you, today we will start chapter number 17, games we all know. Although this is homework page, but I just have prepared few slides so that it will be easier for you to complete this chapter. The heading of this chapter is using the word giving in the help box. Write the name of the game to which these terms belong. So children, there are few terms and you have to just find out which terms is used in which game. So there are three things, there are three terms like bowler, fielder and wicket. So can you tell me which game is this? In which game we use this bowler, fielder and wicket? And this is I'm sure everybody knows, and this is cricket. Cricket is the game where we can see bowler, fielder and wicket. So children, if you find out the spelling, we have clue box also. So you just find out the correct spelling and just read it twice and then fill the spelling, because many a time children make mistake while writing the spellings. Now this is a piece from the chess. So a knight and queen and checkmate. These terms are being used in chess. Now let's see what is the next term. So goal post, referee and red card. These terms are being used in football. Goal post, referee, red card. And the last is dribble, layup and basket. So these three terms are used in which game? Yes, you all are right, in basketball. So children, these are 4 games and terms which we have seen. So children, now we will move to the whiz fact. So India does not have an official national game. Cricket and hockey are popular games of India. So children, what are the popular games of India? Cricket and hockey. So children, we have completed today this homework page. Now we will move to special days, chapter number 18, and that is classwork page. So children, now move on to chapter number 18, special days. So here we will talk about few Indian festivals, or we can say that national festivals which we celebrate and which are important for all Indians. So all Indians celebrate or observe these days in honor of their country and its people, and there is a story behind each and every special festival or special day. So first we have this Mahatma Gandhi ji's birthday. As you all know, Mahatma Gandhi ji is the father of our nation. So his birthday, we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on 2nd October. So 2nd October is Gandhi ji's birthday. Number 2, Jawaharlal Nehru ji's birthday. So when do we celebrate Nehru ji's birthday? On 14th November, and we call this day Children's Day also, because he loves children. Okay, so his birthday is celebrated on 14th November. The day India gained independence. So few days back, in the last month, we have celebrated this Independence Day. So 15th August we celebrate Independence Day, or we gained independence. Now next is the day India become a republic. So 26th of January we celebrate our Republic Day. A day to honor our teacher. That is, it is nearby, children, 5th of September, and this is, and on this day we celebrate Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. He was a great teacher also. So we celebrate his birthday as Teachers Day. So children, these are few slides related to today's chapter, and I will send you the PDF related to the chapter. I'll be waiting for your work. Please send your work on time, and we will be meeting next week. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.